Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. The Rafflesia has the largest single flower of any plant in the world. Where in the world does it grow? Is it A. the European steppes, B. Central America, C. Southeast Asia, or D. the Amazon? The answer is C. Southeast Asia.
The Rafflesia, known for its massive bloom, is a parasitic plant found in the rainforests of Southeast Asia. Interestingly, this unique flower emits a foul odor resembling rotting flesh to attract pollinators like flies. Its impressive size and pungent scent make encountering the Rafflesia a truly unforgettable experience in the wild.
Question 2. Magnetite, which is noted for its natural magnetism, is an important ore of which metal? Is it A. iron, B. gold, C. copper, or D. aluminum? The answer is A. iron.
Magnetite is not only a source of iron but also plays a role in animal navigation. Some birds, like homing pigeons, have been found to contain magnetite in their beaks, which helps them sense Earth's magnetic field and navigate accurately over long distances. Nature truly has some magnetic surprises up its sleeve.
Question 3. What is the word for a young bat? Is it A. a poult, B. a pup, C. a kit, or D. a gosling? The answer is B. a pup.
Did you know that baby bats, also known as pups, are born with their eyes closed and without the ability to fly? They rely on their mothers for care and nourishment until they are old enough to fend for themselves. Pups are incredibly adorable creatures that play a vital role in maintaining ecological balance.
Question 4. What is the word for a female hog? Is it A. a sow, B. a ewe, C. a cow, or D. a doe? The answer is A. a sow.
In the world of pig farming, female hogs, or sows, are known for their exceptional memory skills. Studies have shown that sows can remember individual humans and other pigs for years, showcasing their impressive cognitive abilities. This remarkable trait helps them navigate social hierarchies and form strong bonds within their groups.
Question 5. Where is the natural habitat of the cheese plant? Is it A. Central America, B. Japan, C. Africa, or D. Indonesia? The answer is A. Central America.
The cheese plant, also known as Monstera deliciosa, is native to the rainforests of Central America. Interestingly, its name comes from the Latin word monstrum, meaning monster, due to its massive size and unique leaf shape. In its natural habitat, this plant can grow up to 70 feet tall.
Question 6. Nicolaus Copernicus, famous for his theory that the sun was at the center of the solar system, was born in which country in 1473? Is it A. France, B. Italy, C. Germany, or D. Poland? The answer is D. Poland.
Nicolaus Copernicus, the renowned astronomer who proposed the heliocentric model of the solar system, was not only a scientist but also a physician, economist, and diplomat. His groundbreaking work challenged the prevailing geocentric view and revolutionized our understanding of the cosmos. Born in Poland in 1473, Copernicus left an indelible mark on scientific history.
Question 7. Which branch of science is associated with the terms monocotyledon and dicotyledon? Is it A. Astronomy, B. Botany, C. Medicine, or D. Zoology? The answer is B. Botany.
Did you know that the terms monocotyledon and dicotyledon refer to the number of seed leaves a plant embryo has when it germinates? Monocots have one seed leaf, while dicots have two. This distinction is crucial in botany as it helps classify and understand different types of plants based on their embryonic structure.
Question 8. What is auxology the study of? Is it A. The application of words, B. Acoustics, C. Human growth, or D. Stars? The answer is C. Human growth.
Auxology, the study of human growth, delves into fascinating aspects of how and why we grow. From exploring the impact of genetics and environment on height to understanding growth patterns across different populations, auxology sheds light on the intricate processes that shape our physical development. It's a field that unveils the wonders of our ever-changing bodies.
And with that, we bid adieu to the world of science and nature. Remember, in the game of life, always be a good sport. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Until tomorrow, farewell. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.